What if I told you that you've been training wrong for months, or even years? That there's something in the way you run that's holding you back, and you don't even realize it? What if that fatigue, those aches, or that lack of improvement have nothing to do with your age, your body, or your genetics? A lot of runners think training hard is enough, but the problem isn't how much you train. It's how you train. And if you don't fix that, it doesn't matter how many kilometers you log. Your progress will always hit a ceiling. Today you're going to find out why and how to break through. Does this sound familiar? You go out for a run 3, 4, 5 times a week. Always the same route, same pace, same feeling. And, obviously, same result. Your speed doesn't improve. And the worst part? You don't even question it. Error. Let me be clear. If you always do the same thing, your body adapts, gets lazy, and you become a hamster running on a wheel, getting nowhere. But here's the real kicker. Studies show that repeating the same workout over and over not only stalls your speed, it can actually make you a worse runner in the long run. Yes, worse. And while you keep logging endless zombie miles, do you know what those who truly improve are doing? They challenge their bodies with new stimuli. They change things up, experiment, play with speed, technique, strength, even their mindset. That's why today I'm going to show you exactly what to change and how to teach your body to break out of this deadly loop. And heads up, once you start, you'll feel the difference in just 1 week. Have you ever thought that running fast is just about genetics? That some people are born to run and the rest of us just have to accept it? Or that the secret lies in some miracle 300-euro shoes? Lie. Here's the harsh truth. Speed is not predestined. It's trained. It's learned. It's programmed into your body. And yes, you can do it. Running faster is not genetic magic. It's pure reprogramming of your body and mind. Your nervous system is like software. The more new and challenging inputs you give it, the better it adapts, the faster it reacts, and the more efficient your stride becomes. Did you know this? In reality, your muscles and tendons can learn to activate more quickly. Your brain can learn to send faster signals. Even your heart and lungs can learn to work better. Best of all, it doesn't matter if you're 20, 40, or 60 years old. It doesn't matter if you've been running at the same slow pace for years. It doesn't matter if you think, I can't improve anymore. Because you can, and you're about to see how. The difference between those who stay stuck and those who get faster every month? It's not genetics or gear. It's what they teach their body every time they train. Key 1. Teach your feet and legs to run fast. Yes, you heard me. Teach them. Because your body doesn't know how to run fast by default, not even after years of slow running. Did you know your feet are like a pianist's keyboard? If you only ever press the same key, you'll never play a new melody. It's the same with your feet. If you always make the same movements, your brain and muscles only know slow mode. Want to unlock fast mode? You have to train your feet to be reactive, light, and quick. How do you do it? With simple exercises that African champions train from childhood, but almost nobody here does. High knee skipping. Lift your knees and move your feet fast, as if the ground is burning hot. Do it for 30 seconds. Reactive jumps. Do small jumps in place, barely lifting your feet. The goal is to bounce off the ground, not jump high. Barefoot running on grass. 30 seconds, just focusing on soft, quick steps. Never on asphalt. Best part? After just 1 week of this, your stride changes, your feet wake up, and your legs start moving faster without you even noticing. 95% of people never train this. Those who do get faster times, even if they change nothing else. Try it today. Before your next run, spend 3 minutes on these exercises. Feel your feet start to wake up. I promise, the moment you run, you'll feel a massive difference. Key 2. Brain plus reflexes equals speed. Speed isn't just in your legs. Real speed is trained in your head. Did you know elite sprinters don't just train their muscles, but also their reflexes and nervous system? Because your body only runs as fast as your brain lets it. Why? Every time you run, your brain processes thousands of micro decisions. Where do you step? What pace are you at? Are you going to change pace now? The faster your brain thinks, the faster your body reacts. How do you train this? With reaction drills. Not complicated, but powerful. Look, reaction runs. Have someone give you a signal, clap, whistle, go. And at that instant, sprint 5 to 10 meters at full speed. Alone? Use an app with random starts, or a random playlist where you sprint every time a certain sound comes up. Reflex games. Touch colored cones on the ground as fast as possible when someone names them, or change direction when you hear a certain word. Crazy fartleks. Run changing pace unpredictably. Every even-numbered minute, speed up, or whenever you spot something red on your route. Why does it work? Because you're training your brain to wake up, react faster, and send the command to run faster without waiting until you're tired. After a few sessions, you'll notice you take off quicker, change pace better, and your body responds more nimbly. Don't just run with your legs, run with your brain. Key 3. The invisible strength nobody trains. Pay attention. There's a secret strength almost nobody trains, but it's the key to real speed. Elastic strength. The invisible force you don't see in the gym. What am I talking about? Most people think strength just means lifting weights, slow squats, big muscles. But that won't make you faster. What do you really need? Elastic tendons, legs that bounce, a body that's light but explosive. That's what the fastest runners have. And yes, you can train for it. Here are 3 elastic strength exercises that will transform your stride. Multiple jumps in place. Do 10 to 15 short, quick jumps with barely any air time. Focus on bounce, not height. Stair skipping. Go upstairs doing quick skipping, touching each step only with your forefoot. Fast eccentric squats. Drop down quickly and rise explosively. No weight or light weight. 8 to 10 reps. Focus on fast, elastic movement, not on weight. Why does nobody do this? Because it looks easy, but it requires focus and activates muscle fibers you almost never use in long, slow runs. It's not about bigger muscles, but better muscles. Faster, more elastic, smarter. Do these 2 to 3 times a week and you'll feel your legs take off from the ground. You'll feel lighter and you'll run faster almost by accident. Don't chase gym strength. Go for the invisible strength and leave everyone behind. Want to know the secret of those who improve week after week, while others stay stuck for months? It's not just about training harder. It's about smart micro habits that speed up your progress almost effortlessly. First micro habit, warm up by activating speed. Forget that boring, same old warm-up. Before running, spend 3 minutes doing fast skipping, reactive jumps, or a few short accelerations. Your body gets fired up, your nervous system wakes up, and you'll head out much faster from kilometer 1. Second micro habit, hydrate before you're thirsty. Did you know even slight dehydration can slow you down without you noticing? Do this. Half an hour before running, drink a big glass of water. And if it's hot, add a pinch of salt to hold onto the fluid better. Third micro habit, rest like a pro runner. Sleeping well isn't just to avoid tiredness. During deep sleep, your body repairs muscles and programs the gains from training. Set an alarm to go to bed. Seriously, this will boost your performance more than you think. Fourth micro habit, 1 minute of visualization. Just before heading out, close your eyes and picture how you want to run that day. Imagine fast feet, light strides, reaching the finish line smiling. This primes your brain and helps you run better. It's not magic. Olympic athletes use it, and you can too. Fifth micro habit, prep your gear the night before. Seems silly, but laying out everything, shoes, clothes, music, gel, water, kills excuses and lets you get out the door with more energy and less laziness. The result? Stacking up these mini habits with your training, you'll improve faster, feel more energized, and, best of all, enjoy every run much more. Try it today and tell me if you notice the difference. Okay, now you know what's failing and what you need to improve. But let's not stop at theory. Here's a mini plan of just 7 days that can make you feel faster in just a week. Pay attention, you'll want to try this now. Days 1 to 7. Before every run, do 3 minutes of skipping and 30 seconds of reactive jumps. Don't exhaust yourself, just activate feet and legs. Yes, even if you're just going for an easy run. Days 2, 4, and 6. After your run, do 2 sets of multi-jumps, 10 quick jumps in place, and a stair climb with skipping any stairs, even at home. Days 3 and 5. Do a reaction drill. Have someone surprise you with a signal and sprint 10 meters full speed. Alone, use a random playlist, and every time the song changes, accelerate for 20 seconds. Do this every day. 1 minute of visualization before heading out. Imagine your body light, your feet fast, your stride more agile. And then go run. And super important, drink a glass of water half an hour before every run. Prep your gear the night before. Sleep at least 7 hours. Set an alarm, I mean it. The challenge? Do this mini plan for just 1 week. When you finish, come back here and tell me in the comments. Did you feel faster? Surprised by your first kilometer? I promise I'll read and reply to the most interesting ones. And heads up, if you don't feel any improvement, message me and I'll give you personalized advice for your case. What if in 7 days you discover you could run faster than you ever imagined? All you have to do is teach your body. The time is now. And here comes the secret that separates those who just run from those who fly. The sprinter's mindset. Did you know every fast runner in the world does this before racing? It's not a superstition, not a trend, it's pure science. Right before running, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine how your body feels running fast. Hear the rhythm of your footsteps in your mind. Visualize your best race, the finish line, that flying feeling. Think it's a silly trick? Let me tell you something. Your brain doesn't distinguish between what you imagine and what you actually experience. Visualization activates the same circuits you use when you really run. That means, with just a few seconds, you can prep yourself to perform your best before taking the first step. Do this before every training run and every race. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a veteran. Elite sprinters do it every time. And if they do it, why not you? Remember, you don't just run with your legs. You run with your mind, your heart, and your will to get better every day. This is the real hack for running faster. Start with your mind. Believe you can, feel it, and your body will follow. Dare to try? Share your time and come back in 7 days. Activate your speed and be amazed. Subscribe, share this video with your friends, and check out my other videos for more tips, fatal mistakes, and secrets from the world's best runners. See you at the next challenge. And remember, the only limit is your mind.